Hi there. I have two demonstration models of a no-tool headrail or a floating header that I'd like to show to you today. I want to just review the basic features of it and also the installation. The first one I want to show you is the style that comes with a variety of Roman shades. So this has this threaded post style of bracket here, which just has very simple wing nuts. Now, the actual components of the no-tool headrail are all going to be very similar, no matter which model that you get. This is just one particular. I'll show you the other one in just a moment. What we have on one end here, the end that does not have this lever, it's hard to see along that white backdrop, there we go. The side that does not have this lever, okay, this end here, we refer to as the adjustable stop, okay? Now we call it the adjustable stop, one, because it's like a door stop. It has a little rubber booty and it holds the no-tool headrail in place when you've tensioned the other side. But adjustable because if you should find that in your window, maybe you need it to be just a quarter inch, a half an inch larger in the width than anticipated, the no-tool headrail can accommodate that as well. Just by grasping it here and gently pulling out on it, you can make up any kind of a gap that there might be while still maintaining a flush-looking appearance from either side, thanks to these covers that go along the side. Now, if you should, for whatever reason, need to move this piece back in, you'll find that it's difficult to do by hand, but I know I said no tool headrail, but you can use a tool to do this. Come here and slip a small flathead into one of these little red pieces here, put tension on the boot, slide it in, just with a small turn here and tension there. The next side I want to show you is the tension lock. So what this has, it's actually very similar, but this side here is actually designed to move. This is the action that locks the no-tool headrail in place. So when you have this up in your window, okay, and you've put it in the correct position, what will happen is when you push it on this lever, this boot will be moved out on this side, locking it, tensioning it into place, thus the tension lock. Okay? No real adjustments that'll need to be made along the top on this side. Most of what's going to happen, all the action rests inside this lever. Can you see the boot moving as I adjust that lever? Now, this lever is not accessible until you've removed the window treatment. So, of course, like I said in the beginning of the video, you'll need to remove the window treatment before installation. We'll have other videos for that depending on your window treatment. But just bear in mind, if you can't access this lever, you will not be able to install the no-tool headrail. That being said, let me show you the other variation of no-tool headrail that I have here as well. This one does not have a backing, okay? Otherwise, it is precisely the same. You'll see here on the adjustable stop side, it functions just the same as the other one did. And same thing over here. There's the mechanism that kicks out and locks and tensions the no-tool headrail into the window opening. A little bit easier to see on this one since it doesn't have the white backing behind it. There we have it. All right, let me cut over to actually installing. Okay, so with the window treatment uninstalled from the headrail, we can go ahead and install the no-tool headrail into the window opening. I have behind me something simple made of 2x4s, but nonetheless, it'll be the same principle when you install this into your window opening. So you'll see here, I have the locking end fully compressed. It's ready to go in. And then on this side here too, unless I need to make any adjustments, this should be fully compressed as well. And I'll go ahead and pop it inside the window opening. Just ease it in. You may need to just shimmy it a little bit into place, but I'm just going to get it as snug and even as possible. And then I'll come here and from beneath, push up on this lever till it locks into place. And it shouldn't be easy to lock that into place. Okay, that's where the tension comes into play. You'll need tension to keep this in the window opening. But now that it's secure and I've felt it and it feels good, I can go ahead and reinstall my window treatment. If all's gone well up to this point, the installation should be complete.